If you're looking for luxury, Tameron Gulf Coast has it. Brand new to our inventory, we have this 2017 Jaguar FX 35T Premium Sedan. On the exterior, we have Bi-xenon headlights, powered heated door mirrors, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5, power sliding moonroof, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This 2017 Jaguar FX has less than 79,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.